Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT with Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is come over to your Gmail account in a web browser. From here, we want to click onto the plus icon where it says Get Add-ons. Now, inside of this box, we want to do a search for ChatGPT. So type in ChatGPT. And here it is here, ChatGPT for Gmail. So I want to click into it. Now we can write emails 10 times faster with AI. We can also generate email replies in Gmail with ChatGPT. Now, time of recording, it's got over 1 million downloads and 2,000 reviews with a 4.9 star rating, which is pretty decent. So from here, you want to go ahead and click on install. Now, you want to go ahead and log into your ChatGPT account using your email or your Google account. So I'm just going to go ahead and allow my Google account to sign in. Now I'm going to select all. From here, click on continue. Now you should see here ChatGPT for Gmail has been installed. So go ahead and click on to next. Now we can additional setup. We can require additional setup before your users can start using it. It is recommended that you complete this setup now. So complete additional setup now. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on done and then click out of that. And then to the right here, you're going to see ChatGPT for Gmail has been installed. So we can open the sidebar to use GPT for your Gmail inside